the top winter gear to help keep you warm. Right away, I like to start off with gloves. We all need gloves as truck drivers to help keep our hands warm, especially when we're chaining up. So that is why on my list, I'm gonna highly recommend you pick yourself up some Kinko Hydroflector gloves. The best thing about these gloves is they're waterproof. And we all know when it comes to chaining up, we gotta keep our hands dry, because if not, then they're gonna obviously be frozen pretty quickly. Not only are they waterproof, but they're also double insulated, and it's very good for gripping. So to grip those chains or unloading or whatever you're doing. And that is why I highly recommend picking up some Kinko gloves. You can find that at truckercurtis.com/gear, or you can find that in the description down below. What good would it do when it comes to chaining up or trucking in the wintertime without a nice warm jacket? The jacket I personally recommend and that I wear daily in the wintertime to keep warm is this Hi-Vis bomber jacket. It has a total of 5 pockets, 4 on the outside and 1 on the inside. It's waterproof. Not only that, it has a 2-inch reflective silver belt. So, you know, when car lights or truck lights, you know, beam off you, you're very reflective. Always got to have something waterproof when it comes to chaining up, like where I live out here in the Pacific Northwest. Otherwise, if you're not going to be chaining up often, you know, you can look for something that's warm but doesn't have to be waterproof necessarily. Next up, I highly recommend you picking up some snow pants, and not just any snow pants. These snow pants right here that you see on the screen, very affordable. It's only $37.35 here from Amazon. Link down in the description below. One thing I like about these pants is that they're super duper warm and durable. I had mine for about 2 years now, just about as long as I've been trucking, and that is why I recommend them to you guys. I'm pretty sure everybody's familiar with this brand, something that will keep your head warm, a Carhartt beanie. This bad boy here, keep your head warm, won't stretch out, very durable. You can't let go, gotta pick up, it's worth the investment to keep you warm. Even in the summertime, it's good to wear to keep that sun from hitting on your head. We covered something to keep your hands warm, your head, your torso, your lower body, some nice pants, and therefore we're gonna be talking about the best boots you can pick up to help keep you warm during the winter time for trucking. Also, I'd like to mention that anybody can wear this. It doesn't just have to be for truck drivers. So if you just want something to help keep you warm, I definitely recommend this as well for you. Wolverine waterproof boots. These are the very first boots I personally picked up when I first started truck driving. Lasted me about 2 years now. They look brand new because they're 100% leather. Waterproof, they're great for all occasions. These boots are also insulated, so it's gonna keep your feet nice and warm. Waterproof, like I said before, so nice and warm and dry, and highly durable. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like this video, consider subscribing, and also sharing this video with a fellow trucker who needs to stay warm, or someone that you know that needs to stay warm. Speaking of wintertime, the video on the screen now is me driving in the snow. Click on it and I'll see you there.